Hello there, my name is Emin, EMCsoft, and in this video I will continue my Bitrix administration course, and that video will be final video for robots. In fact, we discuss all robots in that list, right? And the only one missing here is scripts. Smart scripts is about when you can select some certain robots for particular deal, lead, contact, company or invoice, and then run it. I will give you a real example which I had with one of our clients in Dubai, and the main problem of that client was that, of course, they selling property for clients, and the thing is that they need to find property, which is another business process, but also they need to find a bank which will give a mortgage for that particular client, because you got clients for United States, you got some list of banks which may give them a mortgage, but they got one list of documents we need. Probably you can have client from Germany, and because he's Germany, only that bank work from citizens from Germany, and of course they got absolutely another list of documents we need. And lease and business process is so different that you can't, for each bank you should to have some certain business process. For example, I will call client A. So client A got some contacts and he got select property business process, which is completely different. The thing is that once you selected a property for a particular client, now you need to select bank for a particular client. How we can do that? So we can create a script for that business process. For example, you got many banks which you have a contract with. So it means that that bank may work with your clients to give a mortgage. For example, you got 10 or 15, 20 different banks, but I put here only two banks, Dubai Islamic Bank and Emirat Islamic Bank. And I'm going to scripts, selecting smart scripts, and I can create a script. So I already created this one, but if I'm going to the scripts, I see scripts which I already got, okay? And so I got one script, and actually I will just copy this and I will delete, and I will create it from scratch, new script. For myself in the future I can put some description here. Then I go to automation rule, and then I start adding robots for particular script. So first of all, I need to send customer an email. Something like Dubai Islamic Bank says yes to your profile. Okay. So that means that, dear client, we will contact you later with a list of what we need from you. That particular robot will send email to your client. Then, because this is a Dubai Islamic Bank, you need to move that particular deal to another funnel. So go to manage workflow items, change pipeline, right? A new pipeline will be Dubai Islamic Bank, stage new. Some condition could be applied here, save. And also you need to execute that wait after once you send email to customer. So that is wait as well. Then it's very important to have a special procedure. So for that Dubai Islamic Bank, you need to have a list of particular task which is fit on the Dubai Islamic Bank. So you need to collect some certain documents, you need to get some permissions, and you need to do many things which is not fit to Emirat Islamic Bank. So, and you need to create that tasks for that particular script. Task management, create task. And so you need to collect docs from client. Okay, and here you can explain what particular docs you need to collect, and also you can set up a deadline. Of course, for example, you need to collect that during 10 days. Then you need to have here a checkbox. So you can also add observers for a particular task. For example, some senior will have a look at it, and also you can have a checklist. Yeah. For example, passport, then drive license, and then security number, and so on. Okay. Then, but it's not end of story. Once you collect that data, you need to check that data, that documents, and then you need to send them for regulations department, which can check that data of that bank. Regulations department of that bank to check that data. Or you need to do something else to collect, for example, a medicine card for a particular client. Okay. So you can create a task which says that create a medical card for client. Okay, and description here the same as deadline and so on. So checkbox, checklist. Okay, that's it. So we done that script. So select property. Now we selecting bank. So manager done a call to some certain banks. It says yes, we happy to give a mortgage for your clients from United States. Okay, start the process, regular process. So manager doing this. So selecting deal and click script. So script started successfully, script finished. Now we refreshing and deal disappeared from that funnel because we had a robot which moved that deal to another funnel. So go to Dubai Islamic Bank funnel and we have here deal, and also we got outgoing email, but we have no task. So we done something wrong. Let's check, go back. Scripts. Okay, Dubai Islamic config. Okay, in parallel, that's fine. Change pipeline, wait. Okay, so we need to create, wait, yeah, it's wait actually. Right, so we need to create task first. So we need to send email, then create task, then change pipeline. Let's try that. Okay, select script, Dubai Islamic Bank. Started. Okay, so task created. Now go to the Dubai Islamic Bank, check that. Okay, so we move to another funnel and we have created two tasks which manager should to execute. Okay, create med card for client and passport, so task with checklist. So that's it actually, very short video. If you like that video, click like, and if you got any questions regarding that video, please put your questions in comments under that video. Thank you and bye bye.